best 43-inch TVs, finding value in size. When choosing a TV, size matters. Smaller spaces like dorms or apartments need smaller TVs. The 43-inch screen offers more value than 32 or 42-inch models. Although slightly pricier, it's worth it for the features and size. Comparing it to a 55-inch TV, a 43-inch saves over $100. It's a good size for a satisfying viewing experience. Not all 43-inch TVs have the latest picture-enhancing features, but OLED TVs are an exception, available in 42-inch sizes. Here's our list of the best 43-inch TVs. Number 1. TCL 43S455. It's affordable with excellent Roku Smart TV system. However, it has slightly lower image quality and features. Number 2. Vizio V435MK. It's got the best picture quality among budget TVs with Dolby Vision support. However, this SmartCast platform can be slow. Number 3. Hisense 43A6H with premium build quality and Dolby Vision support, although the picture quality slightly behind TCL and Vizio. Number 4. Samsung QN43Q60B. It's got a sleek design and bright image with solid contrast. However, it's more expensive than the others. Number 5. Amazon Fire TV 4 Series. With excellent brightness and Alexa-powered voice remote, the drawback is the underwhelming picture quality. When choosing a TV, consider factors like price, screen size, and capability. Bigger screens offer better viewing experiences. For mid-range models, look for features like full array local dimming and high refresh rates. High-end TVs with OLED technology provide the best picture quality.